Hello guys, my name is Lulu, also known as Lulu Amo, here on YouTube and also on Instagram. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, honey. Welcome back. If you're returning and you haven't yet gone to the part where you have to subscribe, like, let's officiate. Is that even a word? Let's officiate. Let's make this relationship official by you clicking the subscribe button down below. Let me remind you guys, it is free, okay? So, that was a bit lengthy. So in today's video, I'm reviewing a ring light that I got from Takealot. What am I doing? Hope you guys can see that. I already opened it. I actually opened it wrong, and it comes with the tripod. This is how it's packaged when they deliver it to you. It's called a blogger set and the brand name is J Mary. This is the ring light. This is how big it is. This is a 21 inch ring light. The previous ring light that I own is 18 inches, and let me show you guys the difference. So this is the difference, right? This is the difference. It's not really much. When I got this ring light, I was like, maybe it's not of good quality, because the previous one that I owned really was of bad quality. The tripod was bad. I'll show you guys the tripod now. It's the one that I'm using now. The tripod was bad and somehow it just stopped working. I've been using it for about 2 years. Is it 2 years? I've had this ring light since 2020. Since 2020, so it's literally been a year and a couple of months. 2020, 2021, 2020. Yeah, so it's been a year and a couple of months. This one I hope lasts me forever. The initial price for the ring light was 2,100. So I got this one for, it was on sale when I got it. It was 290 something. I'll insert the price somewhere. So this is a tripod. It looks very steady. Let me show you guys the quality of this tripod. It feels very steady. Okay, that's how far. Oh, okay. Guys, this goes all the way up. Let's try and assemble the ring light. So this is the ring light. It has 3 phone stands. So I'm just going to unscrew here. To make this tight, I'm guessing you screw this in like that. Depending on what you're doing, this you can switch. You can make it go like that and lock it. Like, for example, if you're shooting nail video, if you're shooting like something that you're doing on the table. Okay, so this ring light has 4 USB outputs. It has a power button where you can switch it on and off. This is where you insert the power cable, and this is where you can adjust the brightness and the temperature of the ring light. So the ring light comes with 3 phone stands, and it also comes with the remote. I like the fact that the remote isn't in, it's just numbers, you know. So this is the old remote that I got for my previous ring light, and it's written in Chinese. I've never used this remote in my life. Let's test out the ring lights on. That's very bright. Okay, this is the white light, and I'm adjusting the yellow light now. So this is the yellow light. I can't see myself, but this is very bright, so I'm gonna reduce the lighting. I think that's okay. I don't know, guys, because I can't see myself. Yeah, I think that's fine. I hope I'm not too bright for you guys. I'm in focus and everything is okay, but overall I like the quality of the ring lights. I like the quality of the tripod. I love the light. I haven't seen it like on the phone, but I like how bright it is. Also with Takealot, the shipment was quick. The shipment took, I ordered the ring light on Wednesday and it was delivered on Saturday morning. So yeah, the shipment was quick. I have no complaints. The only complaint that I have is that the ring light was supposed to come with a carry bag and it didn't. I wanted to return it because it becomes very difficult for me when I have to take the ring light with me to a client. I wanted to return it, but I was like, it's gonna take long for them to come and fetch it from my house, return it, and have them refund me my money, or send me the ring lights with the carry bag. So I was like, okay, let me just keep it, and I'll have someone tailor make the bag for me so that I can also insert the tripod in the bag as well. I'm about to record an eyebrow tutorial, so if you want to see how the ring light performs, you can check that video out as well. Hit it and get this ring light, child, because it is very good. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. See you in my eyebrow tutorial that is coming up next. So yeah, go watch that as well. Bye guys.